Delta, which reported results this morning. Phil LeBeau sat down with the CEO of the company, Ed Bastian, earlier this morning. Has some highlights for us. Phil.
David, what we heard from Delta this morning is what I think we're going to hear from all of the airlines as they report their Q3 results and give us an outlook on the fourth quarter. For Delta, it doesn't reflect it in the shares today, which have been maybe fractionally higher, but also trading lower on the day. This is a company that basically reported inline results for the fourth quarter, $1.51 a share. There was a 3-cent impact from the hurricane. Street was expecting $1.53. Revenue roughly in line with expectations. And then when you take a look at the cost component as well as their operating margins stronger than expected. And then the cost up 22.5%, though they expect that to drop in the fourth quarter. But it's the fourth quarter when you look at the guidance. That's why there's some optimism about the airline stocks. And again, not reflected in what the stocks are doing today. Delta in the fourth quarter coming out with guidance of earning between $1 and $1.20 a share. The expectation 79 cents a share going into this morning. Revenue is expected to be up 5 to 9%, better than many analysts were expecting. And then you've got an operating margin of 9 to 11%. When we talked with Ed Bastian this morning, he made it clear they are not seeing a slowdown in demand.
I think the pent-up demand is going to continue. One busy summer isn't going to quench all the demand for travel that we've seen. Our planes have been basically 90% full or more full every day since the 1st of April. And that continues into the fourth quarter as well.
Take a look at the other airline stocks today and how they're trading. And again, it's been a little bit higher and then a little bit lower. Basically, with the rest of the market is what we're seeing from the airline stocks. Don't forget, we hear from American and United next week. And as I said, guys, I think we're going to hear the same thing from all of the airlines. Q3 was strong. Q4 is going to be even stronger. Guys, back to you.
Yeah. Phil, David and I had a discussion about corporate this morning as well, and bookings don't look to be going down anytime soon. Are we going to see, I mean, I didn't see a lot this morning in the way of capacity additions, but is that in the offing or not?
They are adding capacity. They're at about 87, 88% capacity versus where they were pre-pandemic and that's the third quarter. Fourth quarter, they expect to be up in that 91 to 92%. Ed Bastian thinks they're going to be back at full capacity, hopefully by next summer. But again, this gets into the issue of hiring, which they think they've done most of the hiring that they're going to do, but also training. Takes a while to make these crews, go through the training that they need to be so that you have everything properly fit for who needs to be on what aircraft flying what route.
Pretty fascinating. We look forward to the other majors printing. A big one from Delta today, though. Phil, thanks. Phil LeBeau on Delta. Get a check on the markets. We continue to whittle away at the opening losses. Dow losses now fewer than 100 points. Don't go anywhere.